Alright, hello everyone, my name is Sage and welcome back to Monster Hunter Stories 2, The Wings of Ruin. And today we're gonna continue our to-do list here on the sub-quests. And this time we're gonna continue that Granny's quests that we have done couple of here already, if I can just find them. I'm not finding it for some reason here on the quest list. I guess I can do something else then. Genprey paralyzed me without help. I have to give up. I'll have to hunt 6 Genpreys in the Lemure Tower, it seems. Very interesting. I guess I could do probably that to start this episode off. I'll just have to check out what the hell is Genprey, because I don't really remember. Genprey. Have I even found this kind of monster? Or actually, I guess more bigger question is I may probably have seen them, but I haven't probably fought them. Genprey. Yeah, I think they're gonna be some small monster. So let's see. I'm gonna go to the front of the Lemure Tower. I'm gonna enter the tower and see if I can find them from the lower floors actually. Hey, that's the Asketsavatsa, I think. I'm pretty sure I had a quest to hunt one of these things. These, and it's in here, Lemure Tower 3, yeah. I'm gonna fight this thing. It's probably, you know, gets me that quest done while I'm here. So it's all cool. It doesn't seem to have any friends with it either, so I'm gonna get a back attack as well. Here we go, Asketsavatsa. Yeah, let's try to break the claws maybe first. Go. Get some damage in. You look like a technical attacker, yep. All good then. Get some attacks in. Alright, let's do the double power attack, I think. Or I guess not. Roar's gonna still win that. No, it's really bad. Oh no. Protective mask, what the hell does that do? I guess it already have it on, or so it is like protecting. Oh wait, what is it gonna do? It's just gonna go into super defensive mode, I guess. Now it uses a speed attack. Okay, interesting. The technical attack from Zeval is gonna work out fine here. The power class? Ooh, what the hell? Whoa, that was a close one. Damn, had to go into hardcore tapping mode to get through that. Let's ride here, do the double ride thing. It's gonna be all good to protect us from the gliding strike. Let's behold this badass incoming attack. Bada bing, bada boom. Nice. Yeah, get the part broken as well. It's all cool. Fire fluid splash. What the hell does that even mean? Okay, it does some damage. AoE damage. I think it's back to normal now. Okay. Oh, it's got back into mad mode really quickly, I guess you could say. I do the mask thing again. Let's try to break the part. I didn't quite get there, unfortunately. Oh, okay. Down it goes then. Pretty easily. Okay. That should handle that quest out of the way. It was good to find that and get it done as well. But anyway, we are still trying to find those. Whatever they were called. Ah! Maybe these guys. These guys definitely could be the Genprey. And the big guys like Gendro. Yeah. I haven't fought these things before, what the hell? Okay, they go with the speed attacks. Well, I guess that would have been pretty actually predictable. Predictable to guess. Oh, thankfully Diablo actually realized to go with the technical attack. That was good. Yeah, let's change to Carnage here, I think. To use some technical attacks with me. There we go. Alright. Pack call, alright. Hey, if it actually calls more Genbrace, then that's actually gonna be good. Because I need to kill more of them anyway. But yeah, I'm not gonna actually complain about that. Okay. Let's attack the small one. So... I'm gonna defend myself against this thing. Right. That's already 3 Genbrace down. Right, power glass. And the Gendron goes down, okay. Alright, that'll do. Let's hope we can find some more of these guys though, because I still need to hunt 3 more. Ah, here we go. Here we go. Is it only one of you? Oh, yep, we got the whole pack. Alright. So let's technical attack there, I think. No, paralysis bang. Does not seem nice. Okay, we're gonna change back to Carnage here. And let's go like so. Double technical attack, nice. Take out that thing. Okay. Yes, do the pack roll thing again so I can get the final 3 defeated in this fight. So I don't have to try to find more of you here. There we go. That's absolutely fine. Alright. Let's see. I'm gonna do this, yeah. Okay, quick power class again. Should be quite easy to handle though. Like so. Let's do the ride. I think it can work as a good AoE damage, hopefully at least. I don't remember, is this an AoE attack? It is. Nice. Get both of them taken out in one hit. Nice. Alright, that should do for that quest then. Which is nice. So I got 2 quests done in one area. That's some good stuff. But anyway. Let's see then. Yeah, this is still gonna wait for us, and this one as well, I think. I might be able to handle the antenna soon, maybe. It's kinda hard to say. Kelby Horn, actually. I have to check out that what would drop Kelby Horn. To get that thing done also, there's this Mooncrest mission as well. More commodities, raw meat, honey butter, okay. Kissy Wish. I am actually a bit interested to see that. How can I get fish? Could you rustle up some fresh shrimp from Loska for me? I mean, what the hell does that even mean? Ah, here we have this quest. Picturesque belt. I'm creating a Lagombi sculpture. It's just my imagination. Take me so far and I can't tolerate mediocrity. Could you put one in your party? Yes. This is the one I was searching for, the granny. But Lagombi. What is Lagombi? Do I have it here or... Ah, Lagombi, this thing. Okay, sure. I thought I had one of these things. But I don't think I have one at least now. I will definitely have to go and find one, I think. Also, maybe while I'm here, I'll try to also figure out, can I fish somehow? But yeah, we have Lagombi right here. A couple of bugs, but it's fine. We're just gonna battle real quickly. So let's try to defeat the bugs out of the way quickly. Oh, frick! I forgot this thing. I forgot that I'm gold out here. My bad. I think. I do have some of the potions, I think, in my inventory though. Yes, hot mist. There we go. Can't do anything otherwise. Alright. Well. Roar is gonna be good AoE damage, thankfully. Alright, then let's try this attacking thing one more time. There we go. Alright, contours are down. Lagombi is definitely much more sturdy enemy than the ones we have fought before. Oh, it goes with the speed type attack, god damn it. I was kinda thinking that maybe it goes with technical stuff, but nope. Okay, well now it actually got mad, so let's see what to do now. Now it goes with the power attack, okay? That's a throw. That was a little bit too much damage, honestly. This Lagombi is putting up a fight, god damn it. Yes, sir, I think I'm right at this point. We can witness the Diablo skinship skill again, because we have only seen it once. There we go, bury yourself underground and do the freaking earthquake. Sand tornado thingy. Bada bim, bada boom. Alright. Okay, need to use the thing. The paintball. Here we go. Oh, it's almost down. I can't believe it still lived that. Here we go. I think this will do. Fantastic. And it's retreating. Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, let's go after it to its den, I guess. Alright, easy enough. Okay, here we go. Yep, any egg from this thing will do for now. Alright, we got that thing done. Now I'm just thinking about the fishing thing. Let's see. This fishy fish, so... Loloska Wintry Bay, I guess? Let's go see. Is there like a... It's like fishing... I don't know, man. I don't know, man. It feels like I should, you know... How do I get the eggs? I mean the fish. Rustle up some fresh fish from Loloska to Mui. How do you reckon I do that? There we have the... Well, yeah, I'm not gonna go to Alcala Highlands. That's not gonna get me anything. We have a Loloska Lake. Like right here, but I don't think I can fish, right? I would love to fish. I don't think you guys can drop me any fish. Maybe I'll actually try that out a little bit. Just for the lols. Who knows, it might work out. Because I mean, we're at the lake at least, if nothing else. Being at the lake usually means there's a fish. Let's see, I'll just kill these guys at least out real quickly, like so. They just drop me some scales. Wait, there's a... I found a fish! And I found 5 fish at once. Okay, wait, and there's probably more. I got 1. I might have to fight this Samtrios here. For the fish! Alright, okay. Sure, I'll fight this thing off real quickly. Might as well. I think. Oh, it uses technical attacks itself, okay. I'm thinking that it's a speed attacker, but apparently not. Anyway, that's cool then. That just means we go double power attack here. Or power attack and roar, but anyway. Go, a little bit of AoE damage again. Almost takes out the small Samite there, but constantly still lives barely. Right. Yeah, alright, that'll make sure that we get the kill probably here. There we go. Yeah. Good stuff. Alright. Still gonna need a little bit more pieces. Oh no, that wasn't even a piece. Oh, hello, Samite, sorry. Sorry that I'm in your way, I guess. I'll just kill you off quickly, I guess. Alright, bye-bye, Samites. Is there any other water areas here that I could find this fish from? Because I think I found all of them that I can from here. At least maybe. Can't see any sparkling fish around here, unfortunately, no more. But I can at least get this chest. Now get some hot mist, okay. Yeah, I really can't see any more fish around here. This is the Loloska Lake though. I hope this is not the only place where you can find them. But I guess who knows. Let's explore a little bit down here this way to see if I can find any other area. Any more fish around here? Unless in the Loloska forest there would be like a water area where I could find some more. I mean, I guess there's a small chance. There is a water thing there. Yeah, there might be something here. Let's see. That was a fish, but it wasn't counted. Hey, Anjanet, sorry, I don't really want to fight you. Ah, that was Loloska fish. Ah, it has to be specifically this fish called Loloska fish. Is that all there is? Fish-wise, I guess. Well, I was able to find 2 more, but I have no idea. Where do I find any more? At least some enemies respawned, so... yeah? Something has respawned here. That's... oh, I got them, nice. Meet client in Guan village. Sir, I will do that. Yes, awesome, we can actually do this. And also, we have this quest board here. we can turn in the other stuff we did like so. Also, I need to remember hatch the egg and put that as well to my team and go show that to the woman. But let's get you some fish first thing first. Like so.
Wow.
Alright, you're welcome. And then let's go to stables so we can hatch that egg. Yay, Lagombi! I have no idea what to call this thing. I think I'll just call it lag. He can lag behind a little bit. Anyway, let's put him to the team like so. Then we go to the Ruto village, right? There we go.
Well, hello there.
Here you go. A little bit of experience again.
Oh, thank you.
And what else? Oh, Crimson Kurupeko. Okay. Well, I think I know where to find one. Yeah.
My, aren't you?
So we can try to do that on the next time. But I think I'm gonna end this episode here. And next time we're gonna continue on with our to-do list once again. But thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to like if you enjoyed. Comment down any thoughts you might have below in the comment field. And of course, if you're new over here, remember to subscribe. But as always, I will see you with the future videos. And for now, it's a bye-bye.